So we're down here in Catford on the Corbett estate. This is our restoration project all finished now. So what we've done on this project is brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Also replaced lots of egg and dart moulded bricks. As you can see, all of the window surrounds, they're all egg and dart moulded bricks. We replaced a lot of the egg and dart moulded bricks throughout as well. Replaced a lot of the chamfered bricks through underneath all of the window sills, so replaced a lot of them, all repointed in a penny roll finish. Also painted all of the stonework for the customer. Also repointed the whole back of the house here as well, so cut out and placed around 800 bricks on the back of this house. Repointed all the back for the customer. As you can see, painted all of the window sills. They've also had some new fascia board and guttering done on the front and the back of the property. So new fascia board and guttering all replaced throughout as well. And as you can see on the top elevation, really nice features on this property. It's come out really well. It's like the fifth house on this street we've done now, so used to working along these properties. So just as once again, as we always say, another project finished to the highest standard as always. So if you like the look of this project, you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.